So what is up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, my cold air intake just came in, so we're gonna be putting that on in today's video. I think that's what I'm gonna start doing. Is every time I get a part, I'm gonna make a video about it. But yeah, so we're putting the cold air intake on. So I'm gonna show you clips of me opening it and stuff with my girlfriend, and then yeah, so let's get into it.
Wait. Read first.
Guess what just came in the mail today? Cold air intake. Heck yeah. Alright, first things first is we gotta disconnect this sensor right here because this needs to come off so we can put it on the other box. So yeah, let's do this real quick and I'll get back. Oxygen sensor taken out. Now we take a 5/16 socket just to take this clamp off so then we can take the box off. So let's get into it. Alright, so now that we got this clamp undone, now we can take this out, throw it on the ground, take this stock air filter, that's a piece of junk, out, set that on the ground. Now on to the next step. I don't even know what that is, but let's see. Okay, so now we took out this bolt, and now we're taking out this one for some reason. I don't know. The link to where I bought this filter from SB Filters will be down in the description if you guys want to go buy one. And they have so many different types of vehicle air filters you can choose from. I promise you'll find your vehicle on there. But now on to the next step. Okay, so I got those undone. Now it's time to come down here and take this off. This one off, that needs to come off, and then this needs to come off here. God dang. Okay, well I need two hands for this, but this needs to come off, and then yeah, I'll show you guys more. Okay, so now we got that hose undone. Now it's time to loosen this clamp up, which it was already loose for some reason, which is not good at all. I don't know why it was loose, but yeah, it was. So there we go, we got that loose. Take this off, set that down there. Okay, now we can take this whole assembly off. Hopefully, if it wants to come out. There we go. Got this whole thing out. Now time, set her down right there. All right, next step. To take something off. I don't know how to, but we'll figure it out. Okay, so now we took the stock air tube out, and then we put the new one in. I know it doesn't look new because now it's all dirty or whatever, but now we got to put all these bolts back, and now we're on to making the air filter. So I'll see you when we get done with all this. Alright, so now we got these hose fittings on. Now we got to put this piece in for the oxygen sensor, so let's do it. Okay, so now we got this base plate and this foam seals you can see on there. These isn't tightened all the way. I need to loosen them up a little bit so I can fit everything. So this goes in right here. This is where the oxygen sensor plugs in. And then we have these two things. I think they're supposed to be like rubber fittings or rubber washers, but I don't really care because I don't know where they are. And if I find them, I'll put them on, but whatever. This looks so good, though. I can't wait to see what it looks like in the engine bay, but I'm going to get to this and then on to the next thing. Okay, so now we got the rubber piece that connects to the throttle body. Then we got the two clamps. This clamp is fairly tight. I'm going to move it to where if I need to take this off when I put it on the engine, but this is fairly tight. This is really loose. It's just on there right now. Now we got to put this rubber piece on here and then fit this big old clamp on there and then on to the next thing. Okay, so now that we got this on, now it's time to connect the two together, and yeah. Okay, so now we got this thing on, and holy, this thing already looks so much better than the stock one. Like, I cannot wait to see what it looks like and hear what it sounds like. But yeah, now it's time to put the air filter on, I think. I don't really know. I'm just following directions. Okay, so here it is. It is mostly put together so far. I still got a couple more rubber pieces put on, but this is now on, the air filter itself. As you can see, just put it right there so it's easy to access after we put the plastic piece on. But yeah, let's do it. Oh yeah, guys. Heck yeah, here we go. It's in there, and everything is getting tightened up right now. Just gotta make sure that's in all the way. I think it is. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I pushed it all the way in, but yeah. God, you can't even see. What the frick am I doing? Terrible cameraman skills, but holy guys, this thing is gonna look so good. Just a little more work and then it's done. Heck yeah. Alright, so I got the new air hose for this thing. So we plugged this. I don't even know what this is what even is this, but I think this goes in here. This goes in here like this. I'm not too sure, TBH, so I'm kind of just winging it. And then that goes in there, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, I'm gonna put that in there because it takes more than one hand. Oh my god, it's done. But I need a zip tie to put this here. I need to zip tie it like to here so it's out of the way. Because it's kind of like, looks kind of, you know, junky. or maybe down. I'm just gonna tie it right here so it doesn't look as bad. But yeah, time to put this parts number on, and then yeah, we're done. Oh my god, guys, look at that. It looks so I'm so happy. Best $365 I've ever spent. This is the coolest part, how you could see it in there, but I love it. I love it so much. It's so freaking dope. It makes the engine bay look so good. I'm gonna put a picture up here, but it's about to look okay. Well, that just ruined the video. But now it's on to the sound test because I really want to know what it sounds like. So all I gotta do is zip tie this up right here, and then yeah, we're done. We're done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a blast putting this thing on. I love it so much. It looks so good, as you've seen in the intro. It looks amazing. Like, it looks so good, and I can't wait to have more stuff in there. I need to clean my engine bay. I haven't got time to do it, and I just haven't had the want to do it, but I want to clean it, and I want to make it look brand new, but it still have stock parts on it. But I'm replacing a lot of hoses and lines and stuff just because it's a 14-year-old truck, right? 14-year-old truck. I need to replace a lot of stuff, but it's fine. It still works, runs, drives amazing. I can feel it pulling, or not, I can hear it pulling in air when I get onto it. Like, I stopped in the middle of my road. It's a straightaway, and I stopped, and I was like, okay, let's do a 0-60 real quick. Rolled all the windows down, turn the music off, and I just, and you can hear it suck in air as soon as I drop the pedal, dude. It is insane how much air that thing pulls in. And especially if you've seen the video of me revving it when my mom was recording, you can hear it pulling air so good. And I can't wait to add the blower, the Boss 302 blower onto it, because then, dude, it's going to suck in so much freaking air. And this thing only added like 15 horsepower, and I think it was like 34 torque or something. You can't really feel a difference in horsepower, but I don't know. It feels a little bit faster, but it definitely is more responsive on the throttle for some reason, and maybe that's because I fixed the timing chain. I don't know, but hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and see you guys for more. Subscribe so I can buy more freaking truck parts, dude. What are you doing?